And 2 days after they were held in Sonmarg in Jammu and Kashmir, the chit fund swindlers have been produced in a West Bengal court today, where all three of them have been charged with fraud. Now, these cheats who dupe people of money also faced anger as there were huge protests seen outside the court where they were produced earlier today. And that's not all. Let's also tell our viewers that 5 more companies are now under the scanner, including Rose Valley. Now, the group has, however, denied allegations of irregularities.
Rose Valley is in a sound position. First of all, Rose Valley is not a non-banking finance company. We are purely in timeshare business. We have some own properties in all over India, in Jaipur, in West Bengal, in Andaman, Nicobar Dipunjo, in Tripura, in Assam, in Jharkhand, in Bihar. We have tried our level best to establish hotel properties in different parts, in tourist spot in India. I think Sharada and Rose Valley matter is not same matter. We are in a sound position. We have a 100% asset-based company. There is not a single question that any customer will be deprived in the near future. We are ready to pay. Please bear with us. Please cooperate with us. I assure all my customers they will not be deprived from our end. SEBI is a recognized organization, government organization. They have every liberty to inquire, to investigate any company. Last 3 years, SEBI is investigating, and one case is pending in Kolkata High Court. Always we are cooperating with SEBI, and now if SEBI come in our office, we are ready to cooperate.
We are cooperating with SEBI. We have been cooperating before also, and now also if there are any queries of SEBI, we will definitely comply with.
So this is not going to be another Sarda group of companies?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Right. Another question is that is your liabilities more than your assets? Because the reports are suggesting that many of your companies are running in loss.
Oh yes, my assets are far more than my liabilities.
So what should people look at? I mean,
no, it's already going on. It is not that those people who are asking for money, we are giving them back. It's there in the newspapers and all that. Right. So it's not that we are not giving. We are willing to pay back if you want back the money. There are many people who have come to collect the money, then gone back from offices assured that yes, this is not another of those companies.
Right. And you have written to the Chief Minister also.
Yeah, we've written to the Chief Minister also and given her an assurance, all cooperation from our end.
মানি লন্ডারিং এর যত মনিটারি বিজনেস আছে এগুলো সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টের আন্ডারে পড়ে টোটালটাই আমাদের হাতে কোনো আইন নেই রাজ্য সরকারের হাতে যে আইন দিয়ে আমরা এগুলোকে কন্ট্রোল করতে পারি বা অ্যাকশন নিতে পারি সেই জন্যই রাজ্যের আইন বাড়ানোর প্রয়োজন এবং আমরা কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের কাছে আজ নয় ধরা পড়েছে বা কেস আমাদের নজরে এসেছে তো 17-18 এপ্রিল বা 12-16 এপ্রিলে এপ্রিল সেকেন্ড উইকে কিন্তু আমরা চিঠি পাঠিয়েছি 8ই ফেব্রুয়ারি গভর্নরকে সুতরাং গভর্নমেন্ট আমরা তখনই বুঝতে পারছিলাম যে এরকম কিছু একটা হতেও পারে কারণ কি যে হয়ে আছে কেউ তো জানে না তো যাই হোক এই পরিস্থিতির মধ্যে দিয়ে আমাদের পুলিশ ইতিমধ্যেই গ্রেফতারও করেছেন
Sarda scheme is one of the many schemes in the country. There is a mushrooming of chit funds in the country totally unregulated by the central government because they are following a policy of market reform and liberalization. If anyone is to be blamed, the central government is to be blamed for leaving this sector of the economy totally unregulated. It is they who have to be blamed. Number one, in this particular case, I think CBI should take up the inquiry under supervision of Supreme Court and High Court.
Anybody who is found guilty of any wrongdoing, the government has always taken strict action against them and will continue to do so in this matter too.
देखिए ये सरकार जो है हमारी केंद्र की सरकार ये खुद सरकारी चिट फंड कंपनी बन गई है पहली चीज। दूसरी चीज ये जो पश्चिम बंगाल का मामला है उसके बारे में मैंने जो देखा है समझा है, उसमें वहाँ की चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी ने बयान दिया है, कार्रवाई की बात की है। देखिए आगे क्या होता है।